Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Whenever. Now, we are now. You know to come across Emi Okpa on social media. Na eriemi ya bigi beside we. Eriemi ya wa bigi. If no konkon ya wo yen. Okay. So that's something in honor women Okpa di no kwa ba me okuo ni aworo na. So this is what I come across on social media. Ina hina. Wa bega ya ni wan. So Over Sabik saga continue. Thank you. Iberiwe. Hello. So I was shocked when I see something like this. Where Ayelala Spiritual Temple, Okpaga Parish, motto praise and progress. Ona do mo telephone number ga yimagini no umale. Afia mara umale na maga kole na no we deri yen be ya ozo. Then our temple number 1 Ewe Street off Okpaga Road off Aunchi Road, Benin City. Date 21/7/2021. Then Ari Nene Bere. Okay, and then asomo sinye. And then asomo say Frank Victor. Onagaye appointed date 28/7/2021 by 10 o'clock. Okay, on Wednesday. Then this week when come bring the sum of 50,000 naira. The matter Bagwayelala. Then Miss the message the letter to Mr. Frank Osage Victor. Then Chief Priest signature yana do mo yo toto eva. Chief Priest J.E. Obadiahu, Medical Director. Okay. My people, waya wa to wa pe ivie domaine ni mo si ivie domaine ogo me vari bayela la gioma bana be social media runde mi na yunuta na ke yunu gwegbegun na ke yunu teme be negbe na ke be gbepa negbe a ke be gbepa ave gbina dadoge ari owa iwa dolo dama be wa dolo dadoge ari owa edokpa agare gwiro paga mi egbe edokpa agabe wa dolo negbe. But this time he may be surprised in any where ivie do ni we presenter yan hin rudemi ni yan gwegbegun a oni ata megbe o ebo ni yan tie negbe social media ona ke ni aginari baila lagi egbe wana igari baila lagi egbe wa e baila la waka sun baila la na nevege ni mana gbuhu e wa na make sure we affect e and make sure we yes ana close e ona be hwi one set time wana de gbe be mwere ege ina de gbe huan wana de gbe mana de gbe fight e make sure we amagiri baila la no ma be social media now wana de gbe be reggae now for the third time now. This one now according to Aproko gossiper, Eminogme Yima, or where Okpabugwe fanse Monica. Okpabugwe fanse Monica. Usun wave fanse Monica. Orie Baila Lagie et Frank Victor. Fin. La ni wa agui. Ima debe Frank Victor. Iyosie Frank Victor. Iyosie Monica. Iyosie Omarok by social media. I'm nobody's friend on social media. Ima na de. Wa understand man. I don't know this one. I don't know this one. Me go na here. My colleague baby phone Marima was say mahin. You are talking to me on phone doesn't mean I am your friend. Okay, now Wagwania wanari bailala wawe fanse Monica wahin normal good. Ekene social media na me fans. Wanari bailala ge Frank Victor. Emane Monica egbe zanzan vi social media. Unu yanyo eri bailala ge Monica. Ne Monica na ya kwenye. Oni na be bolofu aba. Wene Frank Victor. O mawe teke ke na mie we ohu ga agu we gun a ohu na wemi nu we no kpi aga fi pe gi ohu nu wa bo ko gbadu a challenge gbe. O kpi a me ego ba gbe bo o kpi aboku. But only the fact. Oh. The real fact is that where they gain in uwa mievo, they gain in uwa hevo, they gain in uwa no wa gain ivo, no wanarie baila la gegbuwa. Rudeme no wa tabe social media, rude zuo no wa zuo social media. Yes, because year to year, from year to year, mahem ya gbonwu no wa gbera wa do bule ma be social media. So e kie zuo metie to wa zuo. So ekiezu oni nu wazu oni niya de geni nu wa miewo waga izu ofo ne wa do rie bailala wa do ari egegbu wa after wazu oni agbonga gu wazu o wa oge takpo bonu wa ma takpo boye zu ogu wa de wa ye be pa ege ezu ogu wa menu wazu oni be live video ni ezu ogu wa nu wa ya hu ye yuwo wa nu wa ko hu ye gbe yuwo wa do be wa be zu o ladian o ejeberio wana izuo igari beila la gegbuwa degene dohia ya seto degene wi mani hia ya seto magwaleke na wi mana de gbe ayebe no ka ye gwa de gberi ya wana muria mu wayaria mo ugo do wa berie beila la gime wari gume iya sie tobacco Mameve ni wa bege, ve wa bege, magwe ayela la paper to go, ve ni wa mieban, I wa re pretty press no dia keme, ma ya print e la dia. Ya I wa print e la dia wa ye wo, I wa ze tobacco yu hu I wa ma me tobacco yo I wa gba. Ya I wa gba I le mu fun yi live video de ni gberan yo. Ku gbe ko ma le ni ke ye ya si tobacco. Ebaye lala. Ruda ati ebo ne gbe kenkan. Ruda gwegbe gwan kenkan. Agari ebaye lala gigbe. Agati aye lala. Agati o mezova waye lala. Uwa eye vie, wa mai bagbe wa mai riore. Uwa evie ifate mona we no wa be yo bo wa yo we. You guys are sleeping. Abu beme no huhu ano huwa uwa hin. Uwa kalwa. Uwa tota. emi de wa azobe kuwe no auda ogieva no auda vihua degene manedo manivie do hia ya seto Ebony Glory Monica fans according to wetin the right put they no say Monica o they no talk say Monica o Monica fans someone from Victor Ayilala paper see the paper here na aproko gossip na for see this morning. Ona see am. Wa bege ne. Now, wa Adam ho. And if you have a yare lala ni Redo State ni. Na iwaka weru demi na mie social media. Ado tabi akarinya. Den ya dori ebe, iya dori egi omanore webo. Ma ave do association we yo ma ave do meet yo we ma oni ma we so red ave ayela ni we gbe mi veriyan. Ma ave so red yan we do state. Emu gwa ori ma ko ne, emu gwa ori ma tebu ne. Abawo umale ni Redo State ni. Emu gwa ri ma tebu ne ma ave do meet yo de tu wa onu wa ye bog belave youth ni wa. De ru de youth. Ugwa na because ayidedegi years ayidedegi gwegbegun aniyan aigwa gwegbegun adi awa ilala then instantly ni wa sava pepper ilala wa sabi gioma de oni wa ri du eri wa ri onu wa iga du e na ma ave du emiti yo we ma oni ma bi are du one by one emi no see e emi ni ma uwa enu wa na onu wa ye bog gbeli ma wa Watie na seto e matani you as an oumale good oumale wenu miewe asomo somani uri e phone omanugwala omanugwa do somo se na wala wa egunugwa do somo si na ome phone number awe uri e phone u kolo mani meno oumale no wa understand meno umale no okay umale wa talk pe do mo la iye me credit o la call me back me ni hiata ma we yan do tie we so be kenije o ogwe oni ga call no na to gene instantly ni wa dollar yo enu agwale nu amu ebo gbe onu gbe na to yigo re se ekun ni ezo bo we bi nana mi wo ma gbo ma wa mara omara na we okay ora eni a wona sien we yin ori ana okay gati ayilala yo erio o ma gbo ma wa ne ona wo ke eyan gbo ma ni wa na wo ke do ti ayilala yo ewu rudeme na ta me gbe kenkan okay do ma ni ma ri kun eni we ga ewu gbedo ati ayilala yo eri ayilala ki agbo ma ni o eri ogbo ma ni oga obi we no ne no umale aga wo bi we ya wa nota wa nemi no sunu wa de bailala wa de giomata eni omi obono ohun eni me ugo yi hun eni ebuwe ni iri e ya gbe to ba kosi do aye bo gbe won meri kewu eme bo eme Michael wu nu me iga mi mani atie no obu weri owa yes na ke wenia o bia by smart no rugwe se sevio be ni me o ya gwo go ale lala nia ave meni yira gbon tuto de ni rewebo ma ya ma wulo nia yes me o ya gwo ga ale lala ki bia ki ko vidun ni ta ya gwo ga ale lala ni ave mani duwe bi ni be ni ya rewebo ma ya ma wulo they are living sound and clear ya biele nya biebe Inya deli moto nya bolowa. They are fine and okay. So they do what when my God do my thing I do a video. Because I la nu wa wetu wa mu enu wa ya protect man if do. E o wa na mo born in do. E nu wa do ya gbeli do wa. Awon na give me 50,000 wo. Working do ya hwen ye we. O de no 50,000 le gbere. O ma ya no re we born me 50,000. Na give me 50,000 we no ya hwen ye we. Ana ma na gido hwen ye we ru dai me go ni nia. Uye bogbe wa. E o ka. A wo vi we. Ovi gwe ga adu ekbe kine fra Victor uni we agbe wa. Ana do somo se bu we agbe wa. We are you go so we are go ni yawa ilala. That 50,000 ni. Okoko no eken wa ma re mi san balo. Apart from even that. I worry from Victor ni we re from Victor egbe. E te from Victor be mago boy. Ide bana. But ayilala no do aru ekpo ni. Mi no gba. No gba. Ọmọ no prite ba ilala na nuwa. Ọmọ ni aga igwa lo emi edokpa, anoga ibe ladian, ori avo no, ori abavo. Ọmọ ni tori abavo ori avo no. Ọmọ ni no prite ba ilala ni nuwa, ori avo no. Ọmọ no ori abavo no. Yes. Adeguri abavo. Uri baila la gino ne ukbe na figi egbe we bo social media. Italo me na talo me egbe social media uri baila la giyan. Yes. Imagine. Ara we na to finalize if no see enu gwanade baila la gegbu wa be social media nania. Wa mi won pata. Onana we. Ere Monica na we. Ere from Victor na do we. Ere Monica na do tag dian. Ere from Victor na tag dian. Ere nena Monica na do ladian. Ere from Victor na we Monica na we. Ere Monica na we from Victor na we. Eki zuo ya hin uwa ya zuo no wa ya zuo ano and he notice me okpa o e fra Victor ke bule Monica ima mo boy mi Monica wo bule fra Victor weregbe ima mo boy mi but as for Frank Victor when you wu ladian normal, mi o mani ma hwen ewe. Ute be lawa with idea. When we wu be bule eni. Wole. U ge wo ma ladian nu e. O ma ze yu e o ma gwegun. No lawa. U be ewe du pa du ke kanu we nu wa we u pa nu we bo. Wa understand? Uwe me make na wa mo social media nya ho agwa ti e. I hear do tale ne nemi, a do tale ne na wo be social media do tale do bulo ma be social media. I wala dianga mi. Share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I should subscribe to your stupidity. And one video or one viewers so one commenters. Why your boy? Oh yeah, why get you subscribe? Why subscribe to who? Subscribe for what? Subscribe for your stupidity. Need to subscribe who are the bully Monica. Need to subscribe the Monica working a bully from Victor or here bully on my way. I can't subscribe for stupidity. It's all got here share. Mona share and me viral. I should share your stupidity. You me over. Oh, mi akia kwe pien share no bi mega go. I can't share your stupidity. Uga mi una re live video menu go na share topic when we wait ado ya wezire. Yes. When we wait make here we live video mi ayu wezire we live video. Yes. Ụgwa ya zụọ, ezu ọrụ ụgwa hụ. Gwa me nwa. Agwaleke na ana dolemi ya yi ne pisi aro. Ni manivi edo ama ekokpa, ni maame unity. Ni maame ekokpa, ni maama kugbe. Gwana gwaleke na aria ewa, gwana degbe aria ewa. Ugu gwana gwaleke gwana aria ewa. Wana miegwe a dole de mi yi wa aria ewa e. Emi esiga ade ewa ye mi da gwalo ehia. Ina gelewe no wa team ogiason ge emi ni o azen. Ugba ne managbon a azen. Wa ne managbon be esu. I be te bia mo he esu. Who is this person? You don't call me when I'm on live video, please. Share. Please support me in my page show. Share. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me thumbs up. As he give you thumbs up for your stupidity. I should give you thumbs up for your madness. You are mad on social media. You are expecting me to give you thumbs up. You are mad people everywhere. I should be giving you thumbs up. I should give you thumbs up for your nonsense. I should give you thumbs up for Agberagbije no ado tienere Monica. I should give you thumbs up for Agberagbije no ado tienere from Victor. I should give you thumbs up for Agberagbije no ado tienere Vie. I should give you thumbs up for Agberagbije no ado tienere Star. Abi. E ma gbon pa nu ero nu wata magbera. Eri owo na, eri owe nokpa, eri onyanado ya wo nokpa na do ya huwe nokpa, eri nokpa ga ro wodo na me boyfriend, eri agiwa hu ama wawai. No wa ya to, go wa de baila lagiwa neni. Amagiwa hu. Eke mena gwe from Victor Guivo where you don't bull women like that. No, what you don't bull women like that. When we bull any upani, my baby run over bull, don't know anything wrong. My baby lad, man, if a bull, my baby lad, on the bull. Okay, now. No, we're done and no, not ya, no, zogege badima ginedo. Wa bege beni medo ya tori me. Wa bege beni me ya gwe Monica agwa e. Be me mama no answer me wiregbe. Why? Because the bullying was not harsh. Oma harsh ima nyenyegbeta, ima ti agberagbije ne, ima beti ebone. I only tell her where oheregbe no ogwa ye me gwa. Ogwa fu veni ta ese ni riose. Eri ya gwo mo gwanse. Eri ya gwo mana gwo gwanse. Eri ya gwo ko gwanse benu wa ta ese ni. It's okay. It's better than udu anio. Eri Monica we, Monica na we, Monica jonokpa. Eri o we rule wala, eri o wiju wala, eri o hin lesbian, eri o we nokpa. Uga nia ni egwe nokpi aga gwo ko ni ani mi. Anokwo ridu anyi be na okpi ana. Yes, Etigu, my brother, you are my friend. You are my brother. Although my Facebook friend. Because I might make wow. Oh, when I do any work, Nene Monica no we bully nania. E Monica na do ye ona ignore where. E Monica ma tell me when one day as okbia. And your tail who. Begwe no kpia wa bule Monica obowe die obowe every day. Subscribe to my channel, do my page show, give me thumbs up, give me this one, give me that one, give me share my page, share it, share. I should share with bulo. Then when I'm yamia wo be where. No matter when no woni awu, si ani woni wa ya vu la video, si ani woni wa ni gwagwa e wodo. Hey, phrasal verb. Yeah, sit. Are you okay? That's my angel.
Mama was about my tissue.
That is on live video. You have to talk easy. Oh yeah, come and give me a 5. Yeah. Well, understand it, man. Then Monica gi do nyi wo pia. O te keke na me we Monica buluwe. Monica buluwe we unwa se wo pia no we hini because when we as a man like you Monica cannot stand in your front no wa we gbagbe pa no ha ge ha wi ale lu egbe pa. We no pia no we hini. We unwa ihwo abo wutalo me na ihwo talo. Okwe ga talo. And we get the Monica Gatalo. Okay, all you know, we no keke ni me no we usef. For example, where you want to really make this thing a physical combat, or where yes, where Ezua was war, all of Nana Chris na the Chris, who was war, but at least when Ezua wanna begin and have no taye, where you want to bull somebody. Oh yeah, when ugu a Monica get him not have a door or mass when you well, but when I bully. Do you understand? When I bully Monica. Okay. Ubule Monica ni enoge na reply we. You understand? When enoge reply we ni enoge we can face we can lele we say Monica because a Monica ohuo no. Monica is a woman. Abi who over ni no la video. No here challenge Yes, abe suo baby river no challenge Yes. Ikwo bi kwo da gbebo. Makeke no wa bia wo hu. Wa bege Vanessa ya challenge enia. Iya be sta gunya gwa gbebo don wa kan. Fine. Ikwo ya hin. You rest. You understand? We ba no kwo ni wu yan hin abeti yan. Obi address yan, obi dolly yan, obi settle yan. We no bia wa go kwo gba pe social media. Ezu ona ya hin yan. Ba mege tu gwa le tons up ya. That thing where you hold, you know what with that. Go keep her. Go and keep it. You know what is that? Do you know what you just hold now?
It's for you.
Yeah, it's for me.
Not for me.
No, not for you. It's not for child. It's not for kid. It's for daddy, okay?
No, it's not for daddy. For me. That's your own.
Sit down, dear.
No, I want to sit there.
No. No, don't come here.
Sleep.
Okay, sleep. Aish, where is Dariet?
It's not there. You go, Mama.
Okay, good.
It's looking at you.
Agbo who you are. You understand me? And we no gbe me message to Monica, message to that one, message to this one. Egene nina teme Monica. Wa mi topic ni iye begme mi te ina ye biri edi mo fi bai. We ru dem ni Monica tani. Ru dem no tani u pa keka. Eita ani ma beti e bone. If you know you watch me that day, please weti comment where I did that day. Weti you can write anything so that I will know that you are there when I talk about Monica. Imagine bone only correct her. Now only one person self now be one make me come the insult am. Where the person can say Monica matter kill you there and I no go rest for Monica matter. And me matter bone Monica. So you not to give only give money here where Mavi yamu boy category. One understand? Please, what we are saying here, my way no furegaro. Rita John, thank you very much. Oh, where's Rita John? Where's he? we see Rita John, we see. Imatia bone, iwa do ha ma ewe, ace. Umege temeni, anu heregbe no gwa ye megwa, anu huweki for that matter. Ohwe gwa ye megwa, eni ka ureva no te. Sipo. Ewe rudage, ogwe to gwa, or whatever, tell me no magba be platform mogana, a platform wona do ta, a platform wona ta, we was wobio. O was no bule, when we bule, u manu we mwe bog benu tie boneni. Uve tie boneni, umwe bog be monika ugworo eni. When we only one see it's okay. Uwe only one so mami omoro pa ma respond, nobody answered you. Omoro pa ma hweni ewe. When I'm when you leave the matter, you leave the rest. How can you as a man fighting with woman? What of you that woman come for your hand tomorrow? What will you do? Back to say that one a lie. Everybody, I did current with them well now. Na lie. E Frankie atemeni oge Frankie ta. At least you're not supposed to you're not supposed to argue with women like that. Argue with law. What of Ohwoni na ido? Ohwoni na ido fall we hand diva whoever we hear you. E Monica ni we wa gwo ne Monica ni do fall we va whoever wanted to fall we hand diva whoever. Monica na do follow we hand diva whoever na do me we ba yukmo gwe ya na do zaza ladin avo wa temi kere we wa we mi kere ewe ave ye a topic of a build a page ave ye topic of a build a YouTube bomber ave ye mi of a build a whatever goma. If you say you want the bull am, the only advice where I get for am, where I just get for am, or what we have bass where he can when you want to read what we and kenene Monica, kenene from Vito, me magi warok hu, me magi yarok hu, me me ni aye, me me no sunu danyaba, me me keni ana miegbe, me me vosunu. But one thing, they are giving us bad reputation. We understand. I only like that lady for one thing. Frank Victor, as a learned man, supposed to know, say, a silence is the best answer given to a fool. Now Monica turned Frank to. Frank supposed to understand them, say, yes, this woman so will not talk to me, so you just ignore me. Okay, now somebody is ignoring you. Somebody just they avoid you. You self, use your brain, may you rest. You will rest. Somebody they ignore you, you not agree talk to you, not agree answer you. He look you say you not be anything to run. Now he no answer you. He look you say you not reach where you go talk to. Now he no answer you. You not go rest. See, this is fall your hand number one. Now fall your hand number. This is the fall your hand in the highest order. She fall your hand. Walk by at lover. Give me thumbs up. Give me this one. Give this one. At lover. I will yak be you. Ben we go go na ignore we ogewe. O ma go egun. We ma be fall your hand no so eragmo ka mi dey. Because okay we na here we na him wo ya gun bai. Abeg make comot there. Comot there. Okay, well, we meverio. Ma boy be kuseverio na ma we to do we meverio. Oh, ma be Monica kuso everio ni no do we meverio. Of your topolog be no kan atinya wo dugbo. Rabbit too big wey small pikin take dey roast yam dey chop for farm. The reason why I dey quarrel with Frank Victor no get wetin he do me. And I no send am message, I no send the Monica message. But wetin why I dey quarrel with Frank Victor? Me, I get mama, I get sisters. You don't insult another person's mother like that. I dey see the way you take dey insult the woman now. Or the many way the woman of your book you do, of you beg ke normal fi ke no fi beg you or take normal ke no ta. Oh, okwo bia bania, okwo bia nigi, okwo bia venikao. Oh no, you don't boo them like that. You don't insult them like that. How can you and women when you make work in the social media now, unu gba wa emi egwe esta na tie bo me. Esther never insult me one day. E Monica ma tie bo me dokpa. Vivienne vie tie bo me. Vivienne vie tie bo gume o be do hin yan. Yes, Joy Meze. She come out to apologize. When we apologize in the Frank is here, Abba Macbewa. No one do gie, no one do ze no ro. People where you do the real ze, Agbelian one ya. Ne money ne Frank yana wa see sort have you woni. No, you don't need go with those women. You don't talk to them. You understand? Ana do mieni awe no keke nu we no kpia wu ohwori we. Tegen we when the piece ya re ni nevu na we are we appreciate about $1. We want $1 aro. Frank why when the piece ya agwi mani vie do na when we na gbeli gbe no hian gbe no ju gwo hian ya hian with social media ugwo hian obo we dian. I was watching you yesterday quick bebe mume ne kere o magun we ya sine mogie you nu mena wigio. That lady is a woman. You don't insult women like that. You don't need go with, you don't insult women. You don't need go with women. You don't have anything to do with them. Or if we know what we are lele mujo muya. They are married women. Esther Rowodo, who bull Esther Vedon, who bull ya segba away. Who bull ya hin if you tell. But for example, Banagwe Aowoni, Onaga man and Netiki Bania, or quoted dinner, and I have one water, anything. So why with social media no reyamin or bune water, or break a many home in it. Agwalikinana retrieve any of any piece yare, ya what they be cool, or the very Iowa. What's the meaning of all this? Wuwauna? Eruze buloni ana vidomia we ana ve yekwere bri na wa la Monica wa bule Monica. And the worst part of it, e Monica na ido nyive no kpia, e Monica na ido nyive no keke no wenyi we no kpia. Mini when oti bulo huere verio bulo huove verio obo hu we wa wa etu gbe awa gbugbe yo ni ho ni te wa topa we whatever we verse 1 extend egbe was extend them and egbe passage anybody wa egbo ma verio okwe dia obo ya my guy. You understand? My brother, I was trashy now. Stop here. Oga even okpiaje, or even otaibana veni menu goye. Or kboru no sugbu weba, or when a nogi ye kboru no sugbowe, or when a jimofi ye kboru no sugbowe. Ave ranomigo, ave vatie, amia we fave fe brat na kboru no sugbo. Ikbiama hin. Yes, or ya, I will no quoswe. Uwe wo huo. Are you not ashamed writing it as message to Monica? Are you not ashamed? every message to efe yo biave nu weje message to enogi message to amieya wefe message to edimofi message to menugo message to Monica enyohu ohu for that matter, and you are proud of it. Why when the PC yare ni nevo Monica on the PC yare o mana hweni ewe ubege na wona do me nwa so weba iye vai na eme nwa se we na o me nwa se we gunye ma oni ye oni ye ignore ewe ye ma oni ye gwagwa ona me nwa se weba ona do me nwa se we gunye o the PC yare ni manivie do amakugbe ona do me nwa se weba we to bu we bagi gate mata ideba Monica ideba we iye fancy Monica me ma Monica de we ni meje na me hu me na me mu egboto no ma gbera baba no rekete e baba ni no rekete me mu hu me na kanto na me mu gboto no ma me ti o ma sa o me gbe sa le lo ma gbe sa le li me yes ono si na na me bu we bu very yes I don't follow people. Well, understanding, man. Monica na ido nyinyi mo kpia. We no wo kpia we hi we na ido nyinyi mo huo. Because if wo manik kpia, if wo ma ego talo, o kpia. Monica do bof you beg you yourself we reply as a man where you be. That will not mean say if you na say more than fight, say you know if you beat am. That will not mean say maybe you know it reach your wife who you marry for us. I mommy was so where you were. But the problem is that where a Monica had above we message to Frank Victor. When he ne Frank Victor when he on. I might wonder why ignore we. Ignorant cannot ignore anywhere. E for the hand no so e. Do we my that we fans we my tamu when ya. We me fans. Me fans or me fans. But that we fans in ave fans we my tamu we. Nia ni menu go tama we nia. E for the hand ne e Monica fall we. Who be this one? I go on na here. Baby, this morning I come out. I know they share these people matter for me. Girl, I'm not gonna hear. Una see? Why David on what school David and now? Why give from Victoria line message to Monica? What be this one? I bet when I pass this one. When I screw pass. I be not here. Very falling hand. Why? Because you are not important. I work away with my important or man when you were. You see, Rita John. Where do you talk? I know that's not this right. Well, go. You know, say my husband beat me for that thing. Where Frank Victor say my toto big. Na mark. Na make me go for fuck. The fake. Anyway. You see, okwo be gwana ni how. Rita John wabere okwowe na kina ni o you see am otera break home ogoni egbe very on ma how long ni maya break maya break home with social media I ma mene ne social media money maya break home da doge a I mama mene ne so I mwe platform ma gbo ni maya break home I ma tell me the platform gbo na ya teach lessons. Eti mamu egbona ya break home make that dog now. Muna reason wage merita agme bania. Oti a what ya wari e owo dore ni. Wo he there. dokpa no ga yen gbe mi be ri oni ne hia ne hia we na o han dokpa o se to yin hia no o han ni awe we franka ya bege uhe we no na uhe we or no na uhe we digba. Why all this nonsense on social media for Christ's sake? Wow, they primitive igbe for oh God. Maybe no why day sha. Now only God now go forgive all of una. Because of YouTube money. Oh, wakbo. Because of thumbs up. Ugwagwali thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Ugbe so sef waga ti agberagbije be social media ti agberagbije. E thumbs up ni me emi ma na sisi an si ve no taje. Ni me ebe emi ma aweta ma wa e thumbs up na na kweri go normal yeye. Those the thumbs up ni wa horo gi me na guru no wa dey before me na obun so ni ne. Aro pa be mu thumbs up yo wa ni na. Ne thumbs up be na ki. Ave thumbs up okpo da. Na ma se ni meke gwa wana si me mi red di wona the platform mi mede. Na ma se no wana ru de thumbs up ti agbera agbiye ne gbuwa. Ru de thumbs up wa ru ohwo ga bulohu. Insulting our women anyhow. Insulting them. Trying to take them away from their husband. Must you be exchanging words with women? Must you be exchanging words with women? De Monica Rite Minota. A platform you wanna ta, a wa wanna do ta, or wa wanna ta. Out of o woman mama we ya we now na here to we gbe na do your own selfish interest we gbe na jina ona to we gbe na do. You come out just once upa wa ladian upa ni temi no ata we mi no then you leave go upa ke kanu wa ladian ni temi no ata ni wa betani o ya wa be egwe ohun Monica iga bulu wewe gize yo ewe gigwan ruda okpi awehin do okay Monica iwa awohun wewu wa de Monica wo wari Monica iwa Monica na iwa we me no time we are largely Monica do you Monica. If Monica is your wife at home, will you come out on social media to bull Monica the way you are bullying her now? Go and bull your fellow men. Go and fight with your fellow men. Leave women. Leave women. Rien na ma fi pari egbiwe na do are ba ilalare. Ama fi pa ni are egbiwe ne. Re ba ilalare ne ni a. Igo ni na nu gbe ya ahun ni ilalare na so we ya we mi opa. Bete ti me avers we nu we ja wa ilala ni. Biani no ye benire ni ma akolo biani umale ni ma akole igo umale ni deti yen mo ayela la yin ni gbo ni ya gbele manire we bo wa no do ta unu no hia ti gbele bo no gbele kesi ni ora huye bet okeke na mi na be gugwe gun akere Frank Victor laho so ave face Monica ne ni awori ba ilalagi Frank Victor wala wo wala wa ya withdraw case ni wala warundi menugo wa bege ni imade bae warundi menugo wala wo wala yo sa oba imi wala ave face Monica imahon wa je imahon wa ropa wala wo wa ya be Frank Victor case anybody no yin no come no yin no yon ya ri ba ilalagi Frank Victor wala wo wala ho osalobo ya imi wa ya boy wala wo iwado imi wa be social media na wala ho mama die inoje wala wo waja boy wala o waya withdraw a case ni wala o wala wo won wan me nu eje o mi pigegwe wala wo wala o iyo salo ba imi wa wala o waja boy Ubege o Richard John Owe Frank Victor, I leave you because of Ugo. Thank you. But I will never forget. Ubege, if now woman, my husband too beats me for that thing. Wamio, wabege. So, now we wait here. Ria huona wawa anania. This Richard John and although ima hon ubet, we no yagmen emi racing. Oh, ha twime. Ute ayamu warrior. Okay, how many years no kinovia ya build a relationship again with yari awana and a very only manner. Understand? Hilary. No, Hilary, that one not concern us for social media. That one not concern us for social media. Not be we go talk that one. Una understand? Not be we go talk that one. Wa mi Monica wodo wa somo se ari egwa wa somo se ari kino ewu wa somo se ari no problem Rita John wa understand kino ewu wa somo se wa be somo se obiere be monu no be yagun be wa nitin okay ke no riri aro no riri are doni wa okay ke no riri gele aro wa understand but wo go no na no sunu na nia Mama no e doge bori. You understand? Mama no e derebo. Wala wo waja be Frank Victor wala ho. Ave fancy Monica. Ave itokuore Monica ni ave Monica gbabe uhin abodo. Wala wo wala ho. Iyo sa oba imi wa ezona wa muyoto waja boy. Wa withdraw a case ni from Mayilala ni. Wa withdraw understand? Manedo my mom monebogbe. Wa understand my mom monebogbe wala ho wala wo ovie Buhari ovie boda wala ho abi evie Monica wala wo fancy Monica abeg was a Frank Victor aye wa understand all no say ni na be gwegwu hiri na ma me ti be gwegwu na we o ma ke ki no ga le lohu gba be social media ọma keke na ọgwụ okwu ogun ina na ọgwụ okwu okun agwụ okwu okun understand wa begebe ni ya wogo me bedo iwa we treat a matter again e bedo iwa we yafian imagide gbe bi laja ni magide me sure eniyen finish ogwafo video ogwafo eriwa we wese ekenori onwe wa we museni iwa we wese ni wa mami aropalo no laja no do ti ebo me so wala wo wala o kene Monica riwe mi o kino we Monica mi o wala o wa ya fefe wa mwezo yoto wa mweme yoto wa ge pisi agwe mani edo e pisi e manedo gwalo ma o ne pisi re ni ma ya fefe ani ma ni ma vie din odu opa na gba mako gbe no matter what Jesus Christ oye forgive him and nail ye cross. Jesus Christ still forgive those who nail him on the cross. Talk less of women and any human being. Talk less of him and him and keka neki ayeti ma iyabo osalobo no ji ma di agbon na ye ona ye me yabo ne ma ni gba ye mu amugbugbe. Please, I beg you all in the name of God. I beg you. Wala wo wala o. Wala o. E bayilala ni wa ya retrieve ewiregbe. A message na ina with the video phone wa ti gwale ewe detu wa ti memin wa ya ti we nu wa sure egie e mani ni rie bayilala ni gi Frank Victor ni ala wuwo ni ahe werebo so agbo kaninya agbinya no ka iro bobedian e Frank Victor ohiame e osime e Monica ohiame e osime so that is it my ohi egbe my osi egbe we understand so iya we ho ma agbe walege ofio topologbe no kan ya tinya ebodugbo I don't play with children si ogo me ko hia be ni ye wo me hia se fitebo yerobi me be ne bo yerobi me se ignore yan ege okpala dia me be do na do atalo ugo na tie bo no go a quiet imaze yo ina ignore we ya go ignore ye ma serve ve mani leli me hia zeve disciples ori me ave mani me ya we film ni leli me hia ave vie production ri me ni me vio hia merige di gebe bo gwan se for ma se 1/4 go ma no ri tun se we triple we production ri me when you work here say now I'm controlling more than 30 something and be 40 something people, so I tried but my easy so I begin do ahun no bi o kan ekere na ete me basi metin ya wa gbe mu it wa go bi o kan kere gba pe no igwa ignore oge ignore yan na to boy la wadia anu e o ma be mo ma e be okpia ohu for that matter be ni na meji I have woman. I have mother, me, sorry. I have sisters. And where I can wish you where you go, my baby. I wish you, my baby. When is your view where? Ere Monica be Ere Monica be momo. And where I can watch you where I my baby. When not you when you're too weather. Ere would we can bulu the otioma. You can't be respecting your mother and disrespecting another person's mother. Meaning, where a rate no you were so disrespect is your mommy. Where we were that you were. Unimo monata yo veno. Monata yo ven ilavo de. Or have a year. Please, you don't bull people you don't know. You don't bull women. One live video presenters now, especially Wanik Biana. Why while at live video, what do I tell me? Ekpu eri uwe no kuoje. No ewa comment no one ma comment no wa say. Hey, on an ekpu we no wa. Eri ekpu oga eri no ba. Eri ekpu oga eri evioko. Eri ekpu oga ma meno. Ogele surprise your man. Ogele comment ni ni anyema wa oge. Ugele surprise we kpu oga ma megele no why do I know we la rebo ya yenge kpu we ga ma meno ye ana ma megele no ubege go wanu ri ai wane o we gben so one live video presenter why is it they are dey prudent because wa ma do ba me no wa wo wa o do ba me ti an watch wa wo wa ban o ma ni wa comment we ne gba no bi akwa comment o no hu o a ti aye Facebook no hu ya watch we ban yen ba o wa river no kweti wa comment wa wait till this man dey talk about enter house where this person wey just dey talk to me so this person wey just write this thing so iye nu he ye sekeseke ni ho be do nu he ye gbimi nu he ye stress mark vun he and who surprise woman ni stress mark gigele ro he oduwa I sat you I greet you slash and light e ban wede well surprise where ekpu oga stretch mark gele so ogbo u he ni no gele amame gele la dian bo then ogwa kan ri do no tan yan ba ogwa do ge gba ori na I tell no say water dey come out for your toto and I tell no say stretch mark dey your toto so na so you be ogele do ho we ne u beg god ya wa ni wa ne why because man dey prudent when on go egwan who good tell me obey man wetin dey worry you na me dey comment that kind comment for abeg come on for there. It's better than what get baby nigbe here. What you no my head no my ho de my mono yo ye gba my we to bury pint ore. Who ga get pu eh. Vori sie. Okonu we get pu eh we mari enti that we can ri hu efo. Wo worry. Egbe na Dimofi ya takule Gladys Amadi ona winye hu Gladys Amadi nege avavu he ege bineti ko oro giamie we egnedete ko ni gelere wa anamadi Constantino gele hom ovie do na gele observe we ni neti ko gelere wa umabe okore ote hu oviere na wodo we so Dimofi gele do ho we ne wa bege ine wa de prudent benu nu wa ya averu du wa gwale tonzopi wa gwale tonzopi wa gwa poa binu we na ebu we na eji we agu here erate no you west on agu here be social media won hu hiju e ugi uhotu eno hu e ugi uhokwo nurie yowa ugi ruda generally name uhe atie yai uhe yahin. So when you start bullying woman, you are bullying your mom. Bullying woman, you are bullying your sister or you are bullying your wife. If you are him, when you are talking to them, you prudent when talking to them. You careful when talking to them. They deserve respect. When you go nyek baby we, erijo ni ve nyek baby ni. When you go nyek baby o, erijo ani ve nyek baby bioni. Nu we atie bogun nani. We no rin erijo ere omu e yukin o sofa. Ona do nyek bona do bi oto sofa. Who respect e ni a? Who respect it when you respect them. Respect every winning, no matter how it is. No matter what, respect them. Or when you are misbehave anyhow, they will not respect them. If you are talking to them, know the way you talk to them. Eruhi ayebuha, eruhi ajebe nokba, eruhi agbe sekese. Uhi uhoku ayebuha we na adam nego ayebuha. Take care we ma digbase. Uhi ko yebuha ma menu we de yibo na do mi egota do yugba la kasi wela dia. Wa gwan be social media wa menwe. Wa luerere wa luenwe. Uhi ko ga yebe uha, iregbedi no uha no. Unu we de yi. Ana do mietu we do yugba la kala dia mu we uhu oyebe kworo unu we esi kan mu ana do miewe azebe kworo ni we na rizinye yu we magila dia bo ana ga do aye force zu we hin we me na la hin wore take ya we tun yin uhu ni na vese we so ugi ekpa nu we aya do ana be social media ge ekpa no agbalo mo no me ki ano kwa no gagwa. Yes. Oko no gi biane no gi weki anu we ni gbege ran. No gi aya lo musia koko ni we gi gwalo. Eri ogwia o eri we ni no ku ogwia uhe no ogwia eri uhe gwia. Uho ku ga agwia nu we aya do type social media wo ku ogwia. Ari supermarket uga ti we se ni ne osalobo aga san we se kian. Because they say now no who no taje usalobo ya akpon mama. O ga re supermarket ya deva hwe nu e ga ya pe o no tun no hu we la re va ya pu he na iwia. De o to bo we ya le bedroom u ya hwo wa hwo de yemi ni pe won wa pe no hwo wa hwo no re lo vie. U we no a $1 oyi is better than we do ya as of social media. We no la de do ka wu we have social media to zuo ni ya. Ogbe ano enegbe ekwe no wo ni wi asu yin okewe agbihun ehun because you are a dirty pig o se no wo kana wi okewe no we do tab social media or wo no we mu we wo ya you are a dirty pig we ri perceive any wo ran we wa wo ya o si e pagbe ori e la bedroom u pe wa pe no we nu awu we e pe gbava ni we ri de gbe mi odo ni odo master e we ye sakelo ye ko pe ata pegbe. So that make you a nice man. It's better than coming on social media to bully them, to talk to them anyhow. Wa wo no we have no tie, wo no we have ya pa. 2 words wo we na wo no we are. There 2 words wo we are we wo ni 2 we are meeting because we mind nu. Who we onu wa we yo ni yo. Oga wo no we love you know hey na we are. Uri e la betu mu pe kwa. Se perfume lele ogwe u ogbiya eyan o bo ma na adole mi o ma yi u to bowo you bowo dole yi odo neat eri wia aga mi to ko te ko wa wonu wo sef yo boja lo ko ni hin metene vie better treatment lele better u gwajirio you come out on social media wa bullying eri ho hele eri no pa eri no kpa oni awu ngwe do time ma social media from year to year ami ni agbon pa no wa ya ta social media ma gbera gbiye ya so matter na sin ani ye repeat so wa ya fefe fe even wa ya de o e come lo wa so wa be confone ma be re ma no bia no bia e follow up iwele lu wa be dia no wa so meso wa on but not like good name is better than riches. You understand? So wala ho ime on my own personal or mama give on my own personal edo ya yinia in case from Victor na real video wa kwa na wo gonye magie we o magie me ma be from Victor ma egun akedwa for the past 2 months na be 3 months na ma boy ma egun on my own large heart ni me as in e ko fure ni me edo ya togo mo ki me dota, you understand? Yiyani nori baila lagie ya be fancy Monica nori baila lagie from Victor wala wo ido himi wa ya boy wa ya withdraw baila la ni wiregbe wa see ai wa cancel all those things wa say la ai wala o wa say boy ai wa get boy involve with na mi wala wo so wani ne na video ati aila la bo boy rudemi na ta social media wa be not wa ke ari ni na baila lagie o ma wa the baila lagie o ma wa fingo le legbre egbe very on emi no gba so e matter ani aisun agwara na be table wa hwe mana ido sun do atori ma o mana do awori ma na be no taye wa we be ka na you tonight you to dan ahin we na na me ewu wa kporu no so gbo ma understand unu ma wa hin unu you ti wa eti ya ila lagbo wa ami me na ta megbe rodai wa te me magbe wa do am wa sun aya ila lagbo ge no ma so wala wo dama doge wa ge peace aro agboya maintain peace, you understand? From Victor wa fi o ma mi upa uwewe, you understand? We mi ogi ma boy vedo villadian upa kenkan e wa be togo me ina lagwadia ina ewe me mo e mai de gbe tire, you understand? Obi ke kinu we bi aje bi ri oni vinu wala janu tell me Monica upa ewe uwewe bo betono na niyan when wa mwenya huna iwa ata degbe wa disgwagwa wa wole different thing ladian but Monica when you get the face we ba huevo ona do folly we hand va huevo. You understand? So you don't bull women like that. Akpa we Monica go hu no ban we na bulle Monica ban akpa we Monica go piano we na bulle Monica ban afiamaro even no gi we na bulle no gi by problem ironi. You understand? Ikpipi awahin wa be even wa be settle ugwe wo hu is a shame now. We wo ku gbadu extend the word they fall hand no hu na kina and if no keke nu we hu Monica ri hu Monica ri o pe awe na iga hu. You understand? Monica ignore you but we ya talo anu hu a keke no hu keke no talo we ga talo and Monica na ignore we ubeg even Monica ya fall we hand here aka ka agwa na ya na hi abeg wa make model anahi abeg wa screw egbira woni abi tabai ubeg aka ka you are nobody or see no na ignore we very. If you are somebody or asawe ma beg o ma honi we beg model and wish what take no we Monica very we the Monica taloba na me yetana emi me yetana abeg money abeg wa when Monica wo go do ni ko no le ke yo be do agbe me gbagba na abeg o fi to pologbe na kan atinya ibodugbo you rest better not do me we Monica ri yin wo pe ya oga take am easy o thumbs up e dey push person for trouble. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, e dey push person for trouble. Share this program, share my topic, e dey put person for trouble. Understand me? Mona take am easy una hear. Social media no be wetin dem dey use head dey talk, na sense dey take dey do am. I no understand. Wa be social media. Wabi are you no upgrade whoever wa social media. Unu wa ya muni whoever wa gbot of social media. O se ni gwana mi whoever wa fo. If you go ni riviere do vebona, you know what they turn una to. All of them, they get plan where they will plan, but they will claim Christianity, they will claim nocelity to una. One, una be burning machine, una go dey bonbon for them. Now we be more, you like you burn fire for them. Ovie try borgena do be more pa ye bane, do be more bane. Or abandon 5 in your body of your or no be more or lily no be more banine. 2, they turn on to sex machine. How do I go why ye? Are you work way back? Why you working your woman dear? Are you what live? Why live any while litonia? One need be every manner. Or you know whoever we might be social media. No see any emoji will be going. They going now we anyhow. But that's why you know upgrading your social media. Ou wagele dia se gale liya ou ve na gele ou. O wodo ni ya je no gele seto ni ya va zevi vie do no wahin. Ivie gwen hin amie chance do ya miya fo. Ama ta hin do ahu ya ni ha. We no vi gbo aya hu vie do. E hu vie we very yo. Or hu vie we you handle we care. I will so and I don't see am face to face. But o hu vie we mo ya silu hun anwo. O ya view hun. Odo ya de tramadol. Nwa skialari nwa skialari nwa skialari nwa skialari na mie de hin agbe ba hwe nwa inwo fo no risagwe nya oja we no ni hin because nana I can never vie do no ni we nu he hin hu oni asowu wa be na. Oh, I come on, you just fuck me anyhow. See how you take the fuck me. See how you take fuck me. You fuck me anyhow. Oh, that is sorry. But who over here were video? Over here who are roga who ever my home. Only quebe muhene no be wa ma work me so. Why? Miao, or do you make sex machine? What's no na we ma ni na we ma video? Ruda ma you nuima. With whoever we mark talk with me. My you know Maria whoever we man with social media. Mona go repent. I still remember General Koduwa Ugo Dogo Akataka. Awe baila la no waga with social media wala wa stop Emma wa ban wa stop You understand? Wala wo wa stop Understand? So Monica la wo Hamave fancy when you drop baila la ni when you stop Understand? When you say from Victor You understand? Why ignore? No ignore. Why ignore? Wafo. Won la wo. Won la wo what la. No matter how it is where rin aka wo fi gbegedo or whatever or ru fi gbegedo u fi gbegedo fine. O temo yehin. O temo o yehin. As soon as we do my yahin. You are my sister. O temo o hin. Ana me na akpoti yen egbere ima mo pa ni aya pe we yen egbere ime mi pa ni aya ka gwe owo bi edo ni owo oteme ni o so okpa ma ya fefefe hin the social media na imo sebo ibe me gin abo. I don't want to be your enemy. I don't want to be your friend. I don't want you to be my enemy and I don't want you to be my friend. Eri me wa hin the social media na. You are not my friend. You are not my enemy. I mean, no live video presenter, no live video presenter everywhere. I am not your friend. You are not my friend. I am not your enemy. You are not my enemy. That is just it. Erigualo. So la wo. So bono na no wasunu na from Victor ubulo woni gbene anu woni nwa ge we gbene baila la na yare na so la wo Monica la ho gwe fancy we gun call ave fancy we ni u kin ka wu ma ni we mi ni call yan we ni ala wo Duma veru do ama veru du ngome everi eba veru de ba veru ngome duma veru do salobo awe we du menu go we o duma veru di menu go we do salobo awe calling hamia we ni ala wo ni avie baila la ni weregbe. You understand? Me personally de neno manonya wilala ti we na gwale mi kire ni yar ni nwanyo me personally di 10,000 naira no yari gie. Me personally yari 10,000 naira gie. No why I'm so the matter ni wa lock very so that matter should be locked. Wahon wala wo wala you salobo in wa I beg you all in the name of God. Wala if fancy Monica wa e baila la ni wa withdraw e woregbe wa say from Victor aye. So please share this topic to Monica. So mama no erin e wo go me no ma we no we topic na ge Monica. So no la wo we no la wo no come me man no hin ni ala wo ni a forgive boy ni a forgive from Victor ni a withdraw e baila la ni weregbe. Understand my mom on e bogbe wa understand me na la wo wala o abi vision ma ivije me no va no me ken wala wo abi ivije wala o wala wo since Monica ozin egbe se na egbe wazin egbe fo won la wo even we na ri ma we tu we ya ka we yes yen o ma be understand. Wa understand man. So la wo Monica la wo la Jabe Frank Victor forgive her. Call her fancy we ni ari baila la ni weregbe ni ase ai la wo won la ima him ya we mi de and ima ka be hen we de ima be him ya we mi de so now he make him you we na ni la I love you all. I still remember General Koduwa Ugo Odogun Akataka animal we not the fear lion or kalamo one me wano that is me. Small boy we not the fear uncle we go fit beat him. So wala wo I use God beg una. So me and so why for the now. I love you all. Please e baila lani la wa return dey the man we okay na we gwale mi kere di eginye ni yari ohwe ni me person na yari 10,000 naira gie na why yari ohwe na la wo na ba na keep matter ni let's settle the issues wa gae we go wa say Frank Victor ai understand. So Frank Victor okay we me ukpadi where you as a man don't supposed to extend the word with women o ma ke kinu aleli hu extend the word so ogogo untouchable ugele abi ugegele wagbena ugege ugegele oh John. So ogogo untouchable ugegele he say no way, no there is a way. Jesus Christ still forgive person wey nail am for cross, talk less of we will be human being. So wala wo wase mayila la wa mayila la go do di magele we na gele we na gboko ye mayila la ni ba we no taye ni magele gboko ya ila la ni be ni taye o ma ri ba ila la gime mejo but we na gele we na gboko ye mayila la ni bania emi ya de gbe ave ove edo de gbe so ame misunderstanding ni mi ma de gbe so aya kan ri egbe how long mi ma ya dúró nina how long bi ma dúró nina la ege na ma me ya enjoy na ma me ya nwaski alari ahi amia na do we me ja mi flexing guy me wari ohwe I be flexing boy I dey eat well I dey flex well. You understand? I dey flex myself well. I wari ohwe yege. Kini meriri ajo I meri ohwe flexing no. I'm a flexing boy. I want wari mi wahi. So again, ma me yari mi again me hin do ya we me ado agoma we gian. Or I do abulo ma be social media. No. Me a here abulo ma on social media. I will go on top. E ma be Dimofi. Any me deal with on social media. I deal with men on social media. No. Awe maniria social media wa. Awe maniria ni mwi mane dogboto. Ni mwi mane gon gbe. Awo ga on top ni e no. Awo du we kian bule ma, o bula awo ga on top. Abe ki hu ne ro ni da abe wan de bo wodo. We are gwa likenaria. We are ya wa na. When we tell me Monica, ni tell me Monica, tell me kwani. Ya wa ga ma na me nwa bani when we are tell me start we done. Hey, you start even on the you start even on the Ricky best even on the we are will not ba. There start our why man no me nwa ban we no taje. If your wife no, if your husband not get sense, my bag back him murido ti amo warrior. So we can go about why guy where you warrior. So please, I love you all. I still remember General Kodo wa ugo, Odogo akataka. Animal will not the fear lion. Why are we here? A topic in anything. I love you.